Objective. Trace details from the 3D mesh to the 2D pattern pieces. ExactFlat allows both open and closed curves, along with points from the 3D mesh to be traced onto the 2D pattern pieces. This allows you to mark features like Velcro lines, zippers, straps, snaps, or even holes, and any other details you might need transferred onto the 2D pattern pieces. Switch to the perspective view and navigate to the car seat model. Click the Trace button in the Tools section of the ExactFlat toolbar. Select all of the objects you want to trace that are on the same pattern piece, then press Enter. Now select the pattern piece that contains the objects you wish to trace and press Enter. Set the tolerance in the pop-up to 1. Repeat these steps for any other objects you wish to trace. Switch back to the top view and you will see the objects have been traced onto the flattened pattern pieces. You can delete traced objects using the Delete Trace command, and then clicking on the traced object you would like to delete. When exporting your patterns, open curves, closed curves, and points can each be assigned to different layers, allowing your cutting machine to perform specific operations on each type of geometry. For example, open curves can be drawn with the pen tool, closed curves can be cut with a blade, and points can be used for drilling or punching. Tip: objects that have already been traced cannot be traced again. If you need to trace the same object in multiple locations, make sure to create copies before tracing it. Any copies made after tracing will also be recognized by ExactFlat as already traced and cannot be traced again. Key result: detail marks from the 3D model have successfully been traced onto the 2D pattern pieces.